Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you have been wondering how can you delete your Twitter account or your X account, then you came to the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that in a very easy and clear method as well. If that's what you're looking for, follow up with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. First, of course, we need to go ahead and get something out of the way because, of course, we're going to use the X app. Let's go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store and search for Twitter or X right here and make sure we have the app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly. Now you can create the store, open Twitter or X, make sure you are logged into your account, and the first step is tapping on your profile picture towards the top left corner right here. You will get this menu. Now go ahead and tap on settings and support and you'll get this list under it. Tap on settings and privacy to open settings. And now from settings, go ahead and tap on your account. It should be always at the top right here. Of course, that will take you to your account settings. Now from your account settings, tap on deactivate account at the bottom right here. Now I get it, deactivate is not delete. So basically here you can read through, this will deactivate your account. So it's going to explain a deactivation, or you can even read what else you should know because these are some information you should know before deactivate your account. Now from here you cannot directly delete your account. You need to first start by deactivating it. So tap on this red button at the bottom. So again, there is no direct way of deleting your account. You should start by deactivating your account by putting your password here and tapping on deactivate in the bottom right corner, and not log back in or reactivate your account for a month. If you deactivate your account for 1 full month, your account will be deleted automatically, and that is basically how can you delete your Twitter or X account. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them, and of course subscribe for future videos like this one. Thank you very much for watching.